The first question that it was a question that a lot of people had was, what is SEO?
Oh, okay. SEO is an acronym that stretches out to search engine optimization. This is high level, in other words, top of the sales funnel marketing. So, just to put it into context, marketing is a sales funnel. The top of the sales funnel is where people first get to know you. So, think about it like the mall. The mall, you walk into the mall. Okay. When you walk into the mall, you're not already in the store. You see a whole bunch of stores. You're outside, right? And so as you're walking, you're seeing the signs of the stores and all that, right? The top of the sales funnel is before you walk into the door of the store. So that same concept goes with Google and the internet. When you go on Google, you have an intent to buy something. And so you go on Google and you type in, I don't know, uh, cardigan sweater because you have the intent to purchase.
Mhm.
SEO is the marketing where your business comes out on the first page in first position because of the efforts that you put on your website for SEO. It's the business practice of your website so that your business could show up on the first page of Google. That's what SEO is into context.
So when I go into Google or Bing, all these different browsers, and I type in um, soy candle,
Mhm.
right? When I see these links, these businesses up and at the top, does that mean that they're paying for that spot or they organically landed on that spot?
Yeah, that's a good question. So it's mixed, right? Depending on what you're looking for, soy candles in this example, you'll see some images at the top. Excuse me. Those images are called Google Shopping or Google Merchant Center, and people are paying to show up there. So, kind of like the whole business pay to play, you're doing the same thing where you register your business in Google Merchant Center and you put a photo, this whole spiel of things, right? And then you'll show up on page one with images at the top or sometimes even on the side, depending on what device you're using. Then you have the ones that are just showing the name of your business, right? You come up first or second or third, but you have the word sponsored on it. That's called Google PPC. It's called pay per click. For the keyword soy candle, you are paying a certain amount of dollars for each click that a customer clicks on in order to get to your website. Depending on how many people are competing for that keyword, people go ahead and click on it and you have to pay for each click. SEO, on the other hand, is what's below sponsored. It's just the name of your business. It has a little meta description at the bottom, but it doesn't say sponsored on it. That means that Google put you first. You get what I mean?
Mm.
Based on your reputation to that keyword. And so the businesses that you'll find when you type that keyword search, if you type in soy candles, skip the images at the top, skip those that say sponsored. The first one that comes out, that business has pushed the most SEO effort for that keyword soy candle.
All right. The following question is regarding SEO also.
Oh.
And it's, what are myths spread about SEO?